Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're gonna unpack a string launcher of Beyblade X. So let's go. So it's come with safety packaging. This is the white version, by the way. This is the launcher. And here's the launcher. Let's open it. Let's open it. And ito na siya, guys. String launcher. Nararamdaman ko na agad yung kasoftness niya. Yung ito na. White version. Yo! What the heck? Yo! Ito na ang ating launcher, guys. And ang haba niya. What the? Ang ganda ng spring niya. Hindi siya tumatama. Di din siya masakit, guys. So let's have a test spin. Hindi siya masakit pag ginaganyan mo. Hindi siya masakit. Okay guys, so let's try it. So di siya masakit pag ginaganyan mo. Look, ayan o, di siya masakit. Yo! So let's first test spin it from Wise Tiger. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no. Miss launch. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo! This is more weaker than the string than ripcord launcher. Let's try again. Yep, this is a little bit more weaker than string launcher. Ripcord launcher. So let's try Wise Tiger. Let's try ripcord launcher from Wise Tiger. First is the ripcord launcher. Yeah, you see, the more powerful is ripcord launcher, and the string launcher is more controllable. This is more controllable. And let's try it with Run Sword. Okay, decent. Let's try it with Hell Sight. 3, 2, 1, go. Sheesh, this is my first Takara Tomy string launcher in my life. Try it with Unicorn. Okay, let's test battle. I think this is my shortest unboxing of Beyblade X. This and super cool though. Okay, another one. Sorry if so loud though. Last one, Wise Tiger. No, it broke. No, it broke. Sigh. That's all for today's video, guys. If you want it, just buy from Lazada. So that's all for today's video. Bye.
Sorry if it's too loud, guys.